So now we're going to run our file. You go to the file, you open it, you go to wherever you saved it. Well, no, you don't. You go to the CNC operator. That's where the actual file you wrote is. Mozaik CNC Operator. Go to jobs. You find the job you want to cut. The job I'm wanting to cut next is 2249. Alright, so you go to 2249, you go to G code. G code means the code you need. Which material is it? It's the 1/4 inch NGL. And then we need sheet number 2. We're going to open it. There it is. It's ready to go. If it shows up on the screen, it means it's probably pretty good to go. So then you just hit go, start, and it starts doing its thing. Why don't you show that?